Hello everybody and welcome to another unboxing for the Stationery Selection. As you can see, Lady Clara has already beautifully decorated my box, so I better get into this before things start disappearing. So let's jump right in. Alright, so I've got my cheat sheet here. Actually, I'm going to put it right over here, and then we're just going to jump right into things. The first one is this Oeda Letterpress sticker, and you guys, you already know I'm super beyond excited and obsessed with this one. It is a sticker sheet that is fully intact, meaning that it hasn't been like cut out. So when you go to use each of the individual images, you'll have to just cut around them, which is totally fine. But look at the beautiful details here. You guys already know I'm totally obsessed with anything that has postage on it, but I absolutely love all of these little phrases down here. And the texture is really nice. It is a letterpress type of paper. There's a lot of texture here. But there is the sticker back as well, and it is like letter pressed into the paper. I don't know if you can see like the indentation there, but beautiful, stunning, love. Probably definitely going to be one of my favorite items. The next is one of these Mako washi tape holders. Oh, I have one of these, and I know that they're incredible for travel. But I'm going to be honest, I definitely don't use the one that I have as much as I thought I would. And I'm not really sure why, but basically you just take these little things here and you use this. This is like the little winder. And you take washi tape, and these plastic bits up top make it so that the tape goes on perfectly. It doesn't go like weird. And then you just spin it around and get washi on there, and then you can take it off of here and then put it into the actual holder guy, which is this thing. Yeah, basically you just take the blue part off and you slide this little thing with the tape on through the slat, and you bring it up over here, and it comes onto this part that you can cut it and rip the tape. So this is a really great option to have like tape with you all the time. You could just have it in your little pouch, which I love. And I love that it has the little applicator guy, because I can't do anything straight to save my life. Alright, next up is this really adorable monochrome color palette little sticky note pad here, and I really love this. I love how simple and clean and sort of elegant it is. It's very thick. Oh, it's not sticky notes, it's just a notepad, so there's no sticky to it, which I find even better. I don't know why. But yeah, I love the colors, and the florals on that are beautiful. Next is this Zig calligraphy. Oh, it's kind of hard to see the color. Metallic pen, and on one side we have a chisel tip, and I got some ink on my finger there already, and then on this side we have a bigger chisel tip, so that'll be fun to play with. I love that it's metallic. I think that's going to be really fun to add more color and texture to anything. Next is this Milky brush from Pentel, and this looks like a brush pen, maybe in the white color, and it looks like maybe it is a paint pen, but with a... Alright, so this is very cool. I did have a little play just now, but it is a little brush tip here, and it has a little squeezer, so you don't have to like... Because it's a paint pen, you have to get the paint going. You can see it already starting to come into the... Oh, you can't really, but it's coming into this little guy. The lighting is just very bright right now. But yeah, that's really exciting. That's going to be cool to use with the darker elements that we've got going on here. All right, next, which I'm super excited about, is this receipt holder. I love the size of this. I think this is really cool, and I love that mine is brown. It has very cool vintage vibe. And I do believe it is made with like a fake leather. So there is like a little bit of texture here. It's really soft, feels very soft. I don't know how well or at all if it will scratch, but this is from the company High Tide, and it's very sturdy, I will say that. And then it has these craft dividers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dividers, which is very cool. Maybe one for every day of the week if you're going on a trip and you want to put your receipts or stickers or business cards in here until you get back, and then you can sort of put everything together. But I love that. I love that it's not very big, and that you can see that it would go easily into like a pen case or a pencil case, so I really like that. Next is these new cards that, sorry, I was super close there. I was kind of looking at it myself. These new cards that have another monochrome effect to it. They're a little bit thicker. Not as thick as the ones we've had in the past, but we've got these lines on the back for a quick little note. And I kind of like how simple and clean the design is, because I feel like I could really collage easily on the front of this to make this really pretty, and then just have like a really sweet little message on the back here, which is really, really cute. And it comes with a bunch, and I loved the craft color. I think the craft background of this goes really well with the gold and these Oeda Letterpress stickers. So love that. We get 2 more things. The next is an exclusive washi tape design from the Stationery Selection. Let's go ahead and open it. I can't wait to show you guys what's actually on it. All right, so here it is. How exciting is this? It is a black washi with the abbreviated days of the week on them, and I'm in love. I believe this is even Mitz's handwriting, which I love even more. But yeah, I love this. I've really been enjoying using some darker, bolder colors and elements in my journal, and I think this is a great addition. Probably going to use this up all the way, so very, very excited about that. And the last item are these very interesting round stickers. Now they say wall stickers on them, so they must be sticky enough to be able to endure sticking onto the wall. But we live in Florida, so we have a lot of humidity, but it looks like you get 4 of each sheet, which I love, and they feel kind of thin. They kind of remind me of like eucalyptus leaves, don't they? I'm getting, like, seeing them all like this, I'm like, oh, it looks like eucalyptus. But they're not very thick, which I'm kind of surprised by, because I guess I thought like wall stickers would need, oh, those are very sticky. I don't know why. I thought they would be thicker, but I love that they're thinner, because that means I can use them in my journals, and I really love the color story here. And there's 4 sheets, which is really fun. So this is going to be really fun using. I do not have the time to play with all of these items right now, but I'm sure you will see me use them in the future. Let me just quickly show you how this, I don't know if it's thick enough, but basically you just take it like that and just roll it just like that. And it rolls the washi onto the little brown thing, a little applicator loader guy. I'm definitely not doing this right because it is all uneven, but you get the gist. And then you take it off of here, open up your holder, take a little bit of washi, just a little bit, and then slide it through like so. And then you can just tape it on there until you're ready. And then when you want to use, there you go. How cool is that? Oh, I love it. Okay. And then you can just store these extra little cartridges in here. That's what it's made for. That's why there's this extra little cap with the room. And the little applicator will also fit in there. So I love that it's like a one-stop shop. But let's test those pens really quick. Oof, that's good. It's not as shimmery as I kind of expected it to be, but that's totally fine. And then let's test. Oh, there we go. I'm just going to, because it's black, I want to be able to see it. Ooh, the nib is a little tight still. And it's a super soft nib, so you can make it as fat or thin as you want. I don't really like super soft nibs. I find them more difficult to work with, but this is interesting. A paint pen brush pen. Definitely gonna play with this more. But yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I will leave everything you need to find the stationery selection down below. If you have any questions, as always, please feel free to leave them down below and I will answer them for you as soon as I can. See how cool that is. And yeah, I will catch you guys later. I hope you have a great day. Thanks. Bye.